The Deputy Commissioner of REBOI, Arpit Upadhyay, convened a special meeting today with representatives from all political parties in the region. The agenda primarily focused on the forthcoming counting process, which will be held tomorrow, pertaining to the declaration of results for the Lok Sabha election as announced by the Election Commission of India. The meeting took place at the conference hall of the Deputy Commissioner's office in Nongpor and was attended by key stakeholders including observers, returning officers and assistant returning officers.
Meeting was called in the presence of all the counting supervisors, all the AROs and the political parties, and the purpose of this meeting was to brief the political parties about various rules of counting, the protocols of counting, and to clear their doubts, whatever if they are having. So the meeting has been concluded very successfully.